Meatball Parmesan. Oh, body slam. Tough guy.
Did you see that? It's like a little slap.
Blanche doesn't know what to make of a little dog. She's used to a big dog.
Meatball saying that's not good.
What was that? I think it scared her.
Come on.
She's such a toy hog.
Ooh.
Jumped right over.
She just wants to play. She doesn't realize that he's like...
He's a faker.
Ooh, we got mad there.
What does that mean? She doesn't know where the noise is coming from. Get her, Meeble. Get her. Hi. Hi. What is that, Meeble? You guys got hair.
He says, where'd that tail come from?
My sisters don't have these. They don't have that hair either. Get it, Meeble. Get it.
Are we a southpaw, Blanche?
She keeps on putting her butt in his face.
He's a butt sniffer. All right. Blanche says, well, you know, he's brown. He's small, but he's brown.
She's good though with him. It's like she almost knows he's a puppy.
Oh! We just jinxed by saying he's good, then the next thing you hear is Meatball's head slamming off the floor. You can see it didn't really slow him down any, though.
She wants him to stay still.
It's like
All
she's
right.
turning around saying, kiss my ass.
On that note, we will end this video with Cindy's Kiss My Ass narration.
Wasn't she walking around go,
Bye now.
Meatball. No Meatball.
yeah, you're gonna be nice, baby.
Meatball Parmesan.
Be nice, baby.